What's going on YouTube? My name is Dustin. If this is your first time stopping in on the channel, first of all I want to say welcome to you, and it's got lots of truck related content, specifically my 2014 High Country. We've also got a 98 ZR2 S10, and then we got my wife's car over here, 2013 Toyota Camry, and that one's a hybrid, so we kind of got both ends of the spectrum, the big old truck, and then we got the hybrid as well. But anyways, just got a quick video for you guys here today. It's Easter Sunday, so happy Easter if you're watching this today. And so I don't have a ton of time to actually make a good long video, but there's something on my pickup here that was bugging me, broken, and I needed to fix it. Luckily it's a nice easy fix. So if you'll notice, whenever I click my button to unlock here, this one's lighting up, this one's not. So we've got a burned out bulb. So I'm just going to show you guys how to replace these real quick. I mean, this will work, I'm for certain. The 99 all the way up to the brand new Silverados, it's almost identical. Probably even the old ones does this. Whenever I say old ones, I mean pre-99. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to need, and I've had these bulbs forever, and it took me a few days to find them, but I bought these online, bought a 10-pack. Funny enough, these are actually the same bulbs that go in the dash for the S10s, and that's why I had a bunch of extras. But they're the T194, so this ought to do the trick for us. So I'm just going to crawl under here and show you how to do this real quick. Nice, simple job. So let's get started. Alright, so I've got a towel laid down so I can get under here. Since we're fixing to leave somewhere, I don't want to get my good clothes dirty, get in trouble. Leave a like if you know what that's about, guys. So up in here, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Let me see if I can add some light for you. Yep, so all you got to do is just turn this to the left and then pull it out. Then you can see our bulb right in there, which looks like, sure enough, filament's burned out. So just literally pull that guy out. See our bad bulb there? So we'll see if I can open up our new bulbs with one hand here. Boy, that's talent right there. And once we get the new bulbs open, we'll just get one of these guys out of here. And actually, these for cheap bulbs have lasted quite a long time. I bought them in a value pack, if you will, on eBay, and had really good luck with them. So now, and I may not be able to do this with my hand here on the light, but all you gotta do is plug the new bulb right on in. So we'll do that real quick. So with the new bulb in place, easiest test to do is if you got your remote, just click your unlock, and we'll see if the bulb's working or not. So unlock, looky there, we got some light. So go ahead and set this back in the housing, line up those notches there, turn to the right to clip it back in place, and just like that, let's step out here and see how it looks. So there's our old bulb. I'll set this aside so I don't have to worry about it, dispose of it properly. So let me set my stuff up here, walk up there and take a look. Alright, so let me go ahead and click my button again. We'll see how this looks. Boom, we got light, guys, on both sides. So the ones that I used here, like I say, I just bought these on eBay. I'll leave a few links for you guys, some options there. I know that here recently the LEDs, they've made really good progress. You can actually get some that are really good quality. I'll leave some good quality ones down below that aren't the real cheap Chinese stuff that are probably going to burn out on you. I know those are becoming real popular options, and I'll leave some incandescents that are going to be quite a bit cheaper, like what I installed here. But it gives it the OEM look, which is what I'm after. Okay guys, like I say, apologize for the short video today, but just didn't have a ton of time this weekend to do any videos, so we'll have a better one coming on later this week. Alright, till next time, thanks guys.